Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. So I'm here with the tutorial of basic mapping tools in ArcGIS. So I hope you understood the previous tutorials, and if you have any questions please ask me. You can email me, then we can have some video chat and we can share the screen. So at the start of this tutorial we go to GIS. So this is the software interface. You need to add the georeferred image. For example, I georeferred the image of a housing society in Lahore, that is Askari. So I just added that image here. Now I will explain you the basics of drawing a map in ArcGIS, how to draw a line, how to draw a polygon, how to draw a point. So it is very important. So if I want to start making a map based upon this image, then the first step is that I will go to our catalog. So our catalog is basically used to make shapefiles. Shapefile is actually a tool to draw a map in ArcGIS. So we will go to our catalog. So we will find our working folder. It is very important to find the working folder and save all the work in that folder. ArcGIS assignment, here ArcGIS assignment, this is the folder where I am working. So I will right click on the folder and I will go to new and new shapefile. So new shapefile, I will click here. So there are three types of shapefiles which are available in ArcGIS: point, polyline, polygon. These are the main three types. Then there are more types: multi-patch, multi-point. But at this point we will be talking about only the top three shapefiles which are used for the mapping purposes. So the point shapefile is used to add particular locations on the map. For example, the location of your house, the location of the shopping center, the location of the mosque. The polyline shapefile is actually used to draw the lines. For example, you want to draw the roads, you want to map the roads, different types of roads, then you will use this polyline shapefile. And then there is another shapefile, polygon. This shapefile is actually used to draw the buildings. So we will start from the point shapefile. So let's name it as house location. So here I need to assign the coordinate system to this shapefile. I will go to geographic coordinate system, then I will go to world, then I go to WGS 1984. Now the coordinate system is assigned. So when I will click OK, a shapefile will be added in the table of contents on the left side. In the table of contents you will see the shapefile of my house location. Similarly, you see a shapefile added here, my house location, in our catalog as well. So if I want to start working, I will go to this toolbar editor, I will click here and then I will click on start editing. For example, on this map I want to mark the location of my house. So I have clicked on start editing. My system is behaving very slow because I have opened so many programs I am working, so that's why it is taking some time. So now I have started the editing. I can close this R catalog from here. I can again open it from this point, but I can close at any time. So I will go here. When I have created the shapefile, I will click here at create features. I will click here. So I will click on the shapefile, my house location, and when I have clicked here, then I will click on the point because it's a point. So for example, this is my house in front of the park. With the help of this point, I have marked, you see the blue dot, I have marked the location of my house. So this is my house. I'm doing it in a very simplistic way so that you can understand. So I have marked the location of my house, and I will go to editor toolbar and I will click on save edits. So now I have created a shapefile that is showing the location of my house. So if I switch off this shapefile, you see the location disappears. If I click here, then my house location is appearing. Even I can click on the shapefile and I can go to the zoom to layer, so it will be giving the location of my house. With the blue dot, I can see the location of my house. If I want to make it more prominent, I can double click here. I can select, for example, I can select this star with a big size with a different color. So this star is actually the location of my house. So this is one shapefile. Now the other shapefile I will add, I will close this. So I have saved edits and I have stopped editing. Now you see how you can mark different points on the map, and all of these points will be geographically referred, and like every location will be very correctly marked on the map when you are working on GIS. So now the second point is that you again go to our catalog, you again go to the folder ArcGIS assignment. So right click new and then you go to the shapefile. Now we will work on the shapefile of polygons. For example, buildings. I make the name of this shapefile buildings, edit. I assign the coordinate system again to world to WGS 1984. So now you see the building, the shapefile of buildings is added here and added here. So you may close here, then again you go to start editing. So now again you go to create features, you select the shapefile and then you select the polygon here, and now you can draw the, for example, I want to draw the location of this park. I click here, I click here, I click here, I click here. So at the final click, with the help of double click, you can complete the box. For example, at this point you can go back with the control Z. At this point, if I double click with the mouse, then the polygon is created. So we may see that this is the polygon that is created.